Jonathan Graham, and I am the chocolatier and owner of COMPARTES chocolates here in Los Angeles. COMPARTES chocolate bars are really famous for their texture, chunks, and taste. The reason for that is that most chocolate companies actually take chocolate and put it through a piping system that shoots it in the mold. We do it totally different, the old-fashioned way. So we have these amazing antique kettles that are like 50 years old, and we take all the ingredients and mix them together in the kettles, and then when we scoop it out, we literally have chunks of ingredients in the bars. This is why we can get pieces of real donuts in the chocolate bars, brownies, etc., because you literally have the ability with the scooping to have the chunks in the chocolate bars. This also takes so much more time because we have to make sure that each bar is perfect, and it's not machine made. It's made by hand, and I think that's the really unique part. That's the heartbeat of COMPARTES that people really love. It has this really handmade, traditional, old school flavor to it and texture and taste because each bar is made with love and each bar is made into an individual work of art. COMPARTES has actually been around for 70 years, and I've been working here for 20 years since I was 15 years old. And I started off in the shipping department just packing boxes, then I was a front counter person, then I started making my own recipes. So just like my evolution in COMPARTES, COMPARTES has evolved into this really cool chocolate shop that you know today that's sold in 1,000 shops all over the globe. And it's really been an evolution, and sort of the brand has grown as I've grown. I started here when I was a kid, and it's just a reflection of all my sort of dreams and passions translated through chocolate. I always say that the chocolate is my canvas, and you know, my medium of art is chocolate, and it really is true. People are surprised to learn that it's been in business 70 years because it's certainly become trendy and sort of popular now. It's the world's most Instagram chocolate. And really, I've tried to create a chocolate brand that I would love. So when I design the packaging or I make up a new flavor, I'm just basically doing things that I would like, and it's amazing to me that people are starting to catch on and like it too. I'm so excited to introduce our brand new Everything Chocolate Bar, which literally has everything but the kitchen sink in it. White chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, cornflakes, potato chips, pretzels, marshmallows, birthday cake, brownies, sprinkles. It's just a smile-inducing chocolate bar. People ask me how I come up with the flavors and designs for the chocolate. I actually have a book by my bed, and sometimes I literally have a dream and wake up and jot it down and then come in the next day and make it. I think everything tastes better with chocolate, so even if we made a broccoli chocolate bar, it would probably sell and be delicious. But certainly, I have to restrain myself sometimes, and there's only certain things that I would put in with the chocolate.